Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you're watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about work and this is the last video of this topic. As you know, I have covered more than 27 common topics in my IELTS course, vocabulary course. This course is in general for any English learner, in particular for IELTS and TOEFL students. So as you know, I have covered more than 27 common topics in my course and we are at the last topic. So open a playlist of these are most common topics in IELTS or TOEFL or in our daily life also. So look them carefully. Open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. Like, comment and share to help others, to encourage me and to get more videos. So press the bell icon also and press the like also please. Remuneration. Remuneration is a noun. It means amount of money that is paid for a work or service done by someone. Okay, is remuneration. Collocations we can use: remuneration package, annual remuneration, total remuneration, and generous remuneration. Example sentences: John accepted an annual remuneration. John accepted an annual remuneration of $5,000 for his services. Many wage earners or salaried employees have regular increase in basic remuneration. Salary. Salary as a noun, it means a fixed amount of money that employees receive from doing their job, especially professional employees or people working in an office, usually paid every month. Collocations we can use: annual salary, monthly salary, we can say earn a salary, get a salary, high salary, low salary. We can also say salary increase, salary cut, a competitive salary. So these are collocations. Wage. Wage is a noun. It means the money that is usually paid on weekly basis to an employee who does a physical non-professional work. The work of this employee will be physical and non-professional, and then the money that he receives after every week is wage. Synonyms can be remuneration or pay. Wage, remuneration or pay, not exactly same but are similar. Collocations we can use are daily wage, weekly wage, good wage, low wage, average wage. Okay, these are collocations. Earn a wage and get a wage. These are earn a wage, get a wage. Okay, these are collocations. Low wage earners, minimum wage earners. Plural can be wages. Plural can be wages. Example sentences: In my country, the average wage of unskilled worker is very low. So unskilled workers are not paid very well. Workers in chain stores earn good wages. Workers who work in chain stores, they earn good wages. Next is to resign or to quit. It means to resign or quit is when you yourself leave the job or company, not because the company don't need you anymore, but it is on your own. When you yourself leave the job or a company is called resign or quit. He should consider his decision to resign. He should consider his decision to resign. He resigned his job because of his bad health. He resigned his job because of his bad health. Fire, sack and dismiss, these are all verbs. These are used in a context similar. Dismiss is a bit formal. Rest of these are informal. Most of the time informal. To remove an employee from their job because they he don't do any good work is called fire, sack, dismiss. He was fired, sacked, dismissed because he was late for work every day. Dismiss a formal word. Dismiss is a formal word and others are informal, so don't use informal words in writing. Vacancy. Vacancy is a noun, it means a job that is available. Plural would be vacancies. Vacancies. Over time, we can say time when you spend working at your job. That is overtime is spent that you spend working at a job after you have worked for the normal hours. Collocations can be to do overtime, to work overtime. Okay, overtime pay, overtime earnings, overtime salaries. And the next is job satisfaction. Job satisfaction, this is a word you can use in your writing or speaking when you are talking about shopping or shopping or technology, something like that. Get a promotion, receive a promotion. To get promoted. To get a promotion, receive a promotion, to get promoted. You can say well paid job. You can say workplace. The place and environment where someone lives is called workplace. Okay. And our next word is reimburse. Reimburse is a verb and its noun form is reimbursement. It means it is a process to pay back to someone who has spent or lost because of you. Synonym can be pay back, refund, repay, recompense. These are synonyms. So example sentences: the insurance company reimbursed me for the amount of money I paid for my wife's treatment. Okay. The company will reimburse you traveling expenses. The company will reimburse you traveling expenses. Job security. Job security is a noun. It means to be assured that job is permanent and you will not become unemployed. Unions are working for greater job security for low paid workers. Unions are working for greater job security for low paid workers. Nurses went on strike to demand job security. Nurses went on strike to demand job security. Next was a perk. Perk is an informal word, means something extra that you are given for your job as a reward. For example, extra salary, a car, a mobile, a house. These are perks. Synonym can be bonus. Synonym can be beneficial or benefit synonym. Plural can be perks with S is plural. Plural with S, sparks of job. Perks. Plural is perks and you can say perks of job. His perks include a car and a house provided by the firm. His perks include a car and a house provided by the firm. So next word is work-life balance. Is a very good word when you're talking about your work or your daily life. Work-life balance, the amount of time that you spend at your workplace compared with family time, compared with family time. This is called work-life balance. You work 8 hours in a day or 6 hours in a day. The rest of the time you pass with your family. This is called work-life balance. Work-life balance is the real change for mothers. With an alarming rise in the rate of inflation. Inflation is when rise of something go up. Inflation, many employees work overtime and find it difficult to find the right work life balance. Some adjectives to use to describe a job are rewarding job, challenging job, repetitive. Look at spelling repetitive. Okay, competitive, ambitious, or stressful. All of these are good collocations. There are also some others. Exploit laborer, loyalty, understand, overstand. Okay. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it. Please, if this is the last video, so do it so that I can make more videos. Like and comment to encourage me, and look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook group. Share with others to help them, and also subscribe to my channel to for more videos on grammar, writing, speaking, listening, and reading. Thank you very much.